What is up, guys? So today the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 got its first updates, and today I'm going to be installing it and seeing what's new. So let's get started. So first, if you're new to Galaxy Watches or you don't know how to update your Galaxy Watch, you're going to head into the Wearables application, go to your watch, and then there should be a update button here, but if there isn't, just go into Watch Settings, scroll down till you see Watch Security Update, tap on that, hit Download and Install, and then hit download and install. So then let it just do the thing. It'll download it, then copy it to the watch. So while that's doing, I'm going to talk about the actual, experience with the new software, because on my other Galaxy Watch, I downloaded a few days ago. So yeah, let's get to that. Okay, so this is a July security patch for the Galaxy Watch 7, or 7's, depending on how many you have. Come on, focus. 1 second. So it does definitely look really good. I feel like just the some of the graphics have been changed for some reason. I don't know why they look better, but they do. And yeah, so I think overall it's just a lot smoother, and I think the battery life is also better, which is also really nice. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that's new, and also a security update. So it's less easy to hack your watch, which is kind of crazy that that's becoming like a not necessarily a concern. But, that's, something that Samsung is worried about, or, wants to protect you from. Something that I did find interesting is on this, the main watch face, if you tap it a bunch of times, you'll get this, animation thing, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, so that's pretty much everything that's new. Some more stable UI, operating system, and then also some security, which is also really great to see. Okay, so the Galaxy Watch 7 did update, and it is running actually pretty well. It is kind of a little, jumpy because, it just turned on, but honestly, I think it's doing actually pretty good. Yeah, so that's pretty much everything that's to do with the update. Like I said, security stuff and some new, slightly better animations, and it looks like slightly better graphics, too. But yeah, let me know what you think down in the comments of the Galaxy Watch 7, and thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video, and I'll see you then.